Do you know how much traffic ChatGPT is driving to your website? What about Gemini? What about Claude? What about Perplexity? Are these LLMs, these large language models, really driving traffic to your website enough to be concerned about? We're going to find out if it is, and if they are driving traffic, by creating a report in our Google Analytics. Let's dive in. In your GA4 Google Analytics account, you're going to navigate over to Explore. In Explore, we're going to create a new exploration. In this new exploration, we're going to add the dimension of session and session medium. Session source medium. Let's hit confirm. On our metrics, I like to look at sessions. You're probably going to want to look at revenue if you have revenue tracking in place. But I'm going to add sessions, and then I'm going to add key events because I have a lead generation website. You might drill into specific things you want to track from these large language models yourself, but we're just going to start with these for now. We're going to hit confirm. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our filter under session source medium. This is going to be a regex, basically enabling us to use a regular expression. The code that I'm going to use is inclusive of all of the LLMs that we know are important to us. Well, at least the ones we know we get traffic from. Let me zoom in on this so you can see what it looks like. You can take a screenshot of this and have it decoded in ChatGPT and paste it in, or if you want to try to put it in some of the descriptions where we post this online, where we can. But for the most part, what we're doing is basically telling the filter that, look, we want to track everything from ChatGPT and OpenAI. We want to track Perplexity and Claude. You've got Poe in here. You've got you. You've got Copilot. You've got Gemini, Hugging Face, right? All those ones that we know are important. And as you find new ones that are driving traffic, just continue to add this to your list. It's not a lot of code to add. So we'll paste that in, and we're going to hit apply. And now we're going to drop in our rows, which is our session source medium, and then our values. Our values are going to be sessions, and again for you it might be revenue, and key events. Key events are leads or form submits or anything that we mark in our admin section as a source. And check it out. I like to keep it organized, so I'll make sure that I put this as all LLMs. You might want to do tabs where you break out specific ones. And I might give this a name as well. Exploration name is LLM Traffic. And now you can see we don't get a lot of traffic from this site. I'm sure if we went back a little bit further, you might get more data. Probably not a lot though, because our site's not one that gets a ton of traffic. Our job is to drive traffic to your website. But you can see here I can segment ChatGPT organic and referral. We can see that traffic coming in. We can even drill in and see which pages those LLMs are driving traffic to. To do that, all we're going to do is go back to our dimensions. We're going to add landing page. You can do landing page and query string if you wanted to. And then we're just going to drop that right into our rows here. Oops. Like so. And of course you can download this and export it and start playing with the data. But here you can see, again, ChatGPT organic. A lot of folks are going straight to our contact page to learn more about us or reach us. Our location pages for SEO seem to be referenced quite a bit, 9 times that we've gotten traffic to a study that we did on multi-location, all coming from ChatGPT. And again, this is why you might want to take this, duplicate it, and filter just a specific LLM if you wanted to. So you could say this one, I just want to do ChatGPT. Oops. ChatGPT. Let me go back to our filter. 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 Let me go where session source includes ChatGPT. And now we're only looking at ChatGPT. And then you can filter just that one page as well if you wanted to, to just do a filter just for that. So that's it. That's how we configure our LLM traffic filtering. So we can go into our GA4 now, we can add this simple filter, add those dimensions, and see exactly where our traffic's coming from in terms of the LLMs that are serving traffic to us. So I hope you found that helpful. Takes a few minutes to set up. We did that whole thing in 5 minutes, so I know if I can do it in 5 minutes, you can probably do it in 3. Look for more of these tips. If you like these types of videos and you like this content, please subscribe. Follow me everywhere. I'm just SEO Steve all over the place. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and thanks for watching.